Memory cards for action cameras are essential for storing high-resolution videos, ensuring smooth recording, fast transfer, and reliable performance storage. My today's video is about top 5 best action camera SD cards that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. A Team Group Action Camera SD card. This memory card delivers outstanding performance for users who demand fast and reliable storage for high-resolution content. With read speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second and write speeds reaching 50 megabytes per second, it ensures smooth recording, quick file transfers, and reduced waiting time when moving large video or photo files. Designed specifically for action cameras and demanding environments, it is built to withstand extreme conditions with 4 key protections: waterproof, dustproof, X-ray proof, and cold resistance. This makes it highly dependable for outdoor adventures, travel, sports, and harsh weather usage where data safety is critical. In addition to durability and speed, the card adopts advanced printing technology, reflecting an eco-friendly approach to manufacturing and reducing environmental impact. Overall, it combines strong performance, rugged reliability, and responsible production, making it a solid choice for both professional creators and casual users who need secure and efficient memory storage in all conditions. Now our second product is Lexar Action Camera SD Card. The Lexar Blue microSD card stands out as a high-performance storage solution built for creators, gamers, and mobile professionals who need both speed and reliability. With UHS-I technology delivering read speeds of up to 160 megabytes per second, it significantly reduces transfer times for Full HD and 4K UHD files, making large media handling far more efficient, especially when paired with a compatible Lexar 2-in-1 USB 3.1 reader. Its V30 rating and massive capacity support up to 2 terabytes ensures smooth 4K video recording without frame drops or storage concerns, while also maintaining stable playback and capture for everyday use. The A2 application performance class further enhances smartphone responsiveness, enabling faster app launches and smoother multitasking, particularly for gaming and productivity apps. Built for durability, it withstands harsh environments with resistance to water, shock, vibration, X-rays, extreme temperatures, and drops up to 1.5 meters. Backed by a 10-year warranty and recovery tools, it offers long-term peace of mind. Our third product is Samsung Action Camera SD Card. This product's key highlight is its compatibility with Huawei devices, making it a practical choice for users within the Huawei ecosystem. Whether it is a smartphone, tablet, or other supported device, the seamless compatibility ensures smooth connectivity and reliable performance without the need for complicated setup or additional adapters. Such focused optimization helps users enjoy stable operation, reduce connection errors, and better overall efficiency in daily use. It is particularly useful for those who rely heavily on Huawei hardware for communication, entertainment, or productivity tasks, as it integrates effortlessly into the existing device environment. The straightforward plug-in use nature enhances convenience, saving time while ensuring dependable functionality. Although no additional technical specifications are provided, the emphasis on Huawei compatibility suggests it is designed to meet the brand's ecosystem standards. Now number 4, PNY Action Camera SD Card. This PNY microSD card is engineered for users who demand extreme speed, reliability, and versatile compatibility across modern devices. With U3 and V30 ratings, it delivers impressive performance with read speeds up to 200 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 150 megabytes per second when paired with the Performance Prime card reader, enabling ultra-fast file transfers and smoother editing workflows for high-resolution videos and photos. It excels in recording and transferring media from smartphones, tablets, drones, action cameras, and surveillance devices, making it ideal for content creators and professionals handling large data files. The A2 app performance rating further enhances usability by allowing apps to run directly from the card with faster launch times and improved responsiveness, ensuring a smoother mobile experience. Included SD adapter adds extra flexibility for use with laptops and desktops. And our last choice is SanDisk Action Camera SD card. This SanDisk microSD card is a high-performance storage solution designed for gamers, creators, and professionals who need fast and reliable data handling. With compatibility for Nintendo Switch, not Switch 2, it ensures smooth game storage and quick load times, making it a solid upgrade for portable gaming. Powered by SanDisk QuickFlow technology, it delivers impressive card offload speeds of up to 190 megabytes per second when used with compatible devices, significantly reducing transfer time for large files such as game data, videos, and high-resolution media. With write speeds up to 130 megabytes per second, it supports fast shooting and stable recording even during demanding workflows. Its U3 and V30 ratings ensure it is fully capable of handling 4K and 5K UHD video recording with consistent performance. When paired with the SanDisk Professional Pro Reader, speeds can be further maximized. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.